Hello everyone, this is Mayo from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful ECM espresso machine. Now for this machine we have done a bit of work as we had to basically disassemble part of the pressure stat as part of the gauge as well and some parts of the machine. This machine got descaled a couple of months ago by us, and unfortunately some of that little pieces of scale buildup went through some parts of the machine, clogging the gauge, partially clogging the pressure stat and some other parts of the machine. I completely took it apart, cleaned all the pipes by hand, also serviced the pressure stat, and unclog these two gauges over here, making sure that the pipes were completely clear, they were reading accurately. You can see this one is on 0, and this one also goes to 0 once the machine is not hot. Right now the machine is hot, so you can see that it definitely is reading on real time. It is 100% accurate. We also calibrated the right temperature of the machine to make sure that this boiler will be heating at 1.3 bars of pressure. And once it reaches 1.3 bars of pressure, the machine will stop and it will just stay idle like that. So yeah, that's what we did with this machine. We've been testing it for the past few days, pressurizing it, making sure that there were no any remaining scale inside the boilers and that everything was working the way it's supposed to. You can see we also having an amazing pressure coming out from the group head. Really good flow coming from the group head as well. Going all the way to 0 as you saw. And we're gonna wait for the gauge to get out to temperature as we use a bit of hot water. And we got some cold water inside the boiler which decrease the temperature of the boiler itself. So we're gonna wait for the pressure to go again to 1.3 bars, and then we'll conclude the test. There you go, pressure start just got activated, and as you can see, it stopped in the exact same location as we started. Excellent pressure coming out from this machine, right temperature, everything adjusted and ready to brew. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.